we find the right things?
Let's just hope today goes okay. Welcome back to our channel. My name's Morgan.
I'm Will. We currently live in a small village on the east coast of Sweden, and today we're gonna bring you along as we drive to the west coast to my parents in Gothenburg, take the train down to Copenhagen, and then
hop on a flight to America.
With us on this journey, we have our little pup, Matcha.
Matcha.
Earlier this summer, we traveled all around Europe with him in a car, which went really well.
Stop! Why are you honking?
Well, you have to honk. It's part of the customary. However, this is Matcha's first time on a flight, so if you want to see how he does, tag along.
We adopted him from a foster home in May, and he is the best addition to our family. We love him so much. He's the cuddliest, sweetest little guy.
We got some little things to tie together, but let's go. We're
starting our morning with our AG1. We're actually out of it because it's quite expensive to keep up with. I mean, if you break it down, I guess it's not that expensive, but it seems like a lot when all the other things in life cost money, and you know, we try to prioritize our health, but we have to find balance and compromise. So sometimes we have it every other day, like we don't always have a full scoop of it, but it does make me feel good when we at least start our day with a little bit of it. Matcha's been a little bit stressed in the last 24 hours. He sees the suitcases, you know. He's only been on one trip with us and he's quite young, but I think it's just like a part of a dog's instincts to know that suitcases means my parents are leaving me. I'm trying to tell him that he's coming with us, but he really loves his house and he has his routines, and I feel bad when we take him away from that. Just your morning toothbrushing. Here you go, baby.
Thank you. Duct tape, memory card.
Yeah, our cameras and our memory cards, they're on their last leg, I think.
When's Black Friday?
The day after Thanksgiving.
Breakfast?
The infamous coconut yogurt bowl. I will miss you. House is mostly clean. I always get so sad leaving it. Like, I feel like this is our little sanctuary, but it is nice to get out. Our little muffin is in here. He's sad because he thinks we're leaving him. Bubba, we're not leaving you. You see, you're coming with us.
I feel like the older I get, the more relaxed I get in these kinds of situations. Like, we don't have the time to like grab dinner plans with our friends tonight, but other than that, we're just doing everything we're trying to do and like
getting out when we can.
Yeah.
You ready to go? Saying goodbye to this room, and hopefully it'll look way different when we come back. This too, this will all be different. Hopefully, or at least started. All right, we're off. It is 11:50.
So a little bit later than we wanted to, or I wanted to, but it's all good.
We have to make a quick pit stop, so we'll see you there. So this is the tile that we've picked out. Flora Cream.
So nice.
It's beautiful. I can't wait.
But in the 60 by 60.
Yeah, the
so
big square tiles.
But we just need the color thing, so we're just gonna bring this.
And then we're having this pebble tile on the bottom of our bathtub. It'll be from a different source, so it'll be a little bit different, but it's basically gonna look like this, like a spa.
Exciting. I'm so excited.
We're looking at going with like a brushed gold color.
Would be nice with black as well.
Or black. It depends on kind of what we can find and if we can bring stuff back from the US or not. This is the paint sample that we have now, but we're gonna go to a different store tomorrow.
I like the gold. If we can find the right things. We found some really nice things in black, but it's all to do with like, can we find the right things? And gold can become so yellow.
Yeah, and you have to find ones that match if it's not from the same brand. This is the mirror we're planning on going with. Maybe a little bit smaller.
This is 90.
Or was this what we said? Or do we?
We talked about 100, which is a little bit bigger than this.
Maybe a little bit bigger than this. The best road trip treat.
Always am wary about it being vegan or not from this joint.
Crispy Supreme Buffalo with gluten-free bread. It's too good. Too freaking good. Oh my gosh.
Do I get to be in part of this video? Thank you.
Number one thing you're most excited about to go to the US?
All the great food, cheap gas, all our friends.
Cheap gas.
Donuts, great coffee, aesthetically pleasing coffee shops. I don't know, I think it's in different countries you have different things and you just like miss the things that you don't have here, like donuts.
It's also like we put $50 into our gas tank today. It got us not even a quarter of a tank of gas. If I put $50 into my tank in the US, that would fill up my tank all the way. So that's just a little bit ridiculous if you ask me. We are doing something we never do today because first of all, we had Max for lunch, which that was fast food, and now we are at McDonald's because they came out with a McVegan and I just feel like we have to try it. Taste test.
Have you ever seen this before? Has this ever been a thing?
I think it's new, right?
Yeah, it must be
I
new.
wonder if it's in the US or not.
Oh my gosh. It looks really fresh. Good job on them.
Let's see how this is.
I don't remember last time I had McDonald's.
A fast food kind of day, I guess, for us.
I mean, that's McDonald's.
I feel nervous.
So dirty. Like, so dirty.
It's so dirty. It's delicious. Definitely tastes like McDonald's. Pretty good. I mean, the pickles of McDonald's have a certain taste.
Something about the pickles. And the bread. The bread has so much sugar in it. It has like 11 grams of sugar.
Don't tell me that. We made it to Gothenburg. We're passing by our old apartment right now. We're gonna spend the weekend hanging out with friends and family, catching up with everybody here before we head off.
This is our friend Pontus. He's single. Comment below if you want to.
Everyone knows Pontus.
Go back and watch when we sat down for an afternoon trying Swedish licorice. This guy is. I'm a professional.
See, I can't even get it off. Just like this. I want to garden. I wish I was better at gardening. We made it to Denmark. We checked into our hotel and just went for a walk with him. We're gonna go to bed at like 8 p.m. because our flight is so early in the morning. So we'll see you at 5 a.m.
It is 5:30 a.m.
Did you take half of these?
Yeah, I did.
Why?
Good husband points.
Well, thinks that my liquids were too full and there's literally 2 things in here.
They shot at her last time here.
Oh guys, I'm so tired. I don't handle being up early well.
But we went to bed at 8:30 last night, so I think we got more sleep than we think. So yeah.
Let's just hope today goes okay.
It's gonna go great.
I'm terrified.
I have faith. Time to take Macho for a walk and then go and print our boarding passes because we already checked in, but...
And go to America. We made it to the lounge. Machi made it through security. Machi! Good boy! He's doing so well so far. Fingers crossed he does the same on the flight.
It's been a hectic morning. We barely filmed, but you know what? It's all going well. Masha's gone through security. She was very happy dapper, but we'll see how it goes on the flight. We made it on board.
Poor little guy. He's trying to get out. We made it to Frankfurt. I wish there were pet relief areas in European airports because we are currently in a handicapped bathroom. We have a pad out for him to go to the bathroom, but he's potty trained inside. He's not gonna go, so this is the situation.
Matcha.
Now's your chance, Bubba. What's happening with my voice? And live your lavish life.
Most of all, just live your lavish life. Enjoy things. Did look like an Amish person, but I was kind of into it, so I don't know what about it.